Good morning, y'all. I am Tara Hewlett with Back Pain and Joint Center, Texas, and today I have my daughter Bella with me.
Hi.
So I come every week to share with you guys a low inflammation recipe that we use here at our house that we enjoy. So today's is, for this week, a smoothie that Bella makes just about every day. So you guys hopefully will enjoy and love it as well. So why low inflammation? So low inflammation diets consist of not partaking of gluten, dairy, or sugar. So eliminating those three things help our body to heal and recover faster. And so things cause us to be more inflamed. So we'll go ahead and get started. All right, Bella, so what are we naming this?
It's like a strawberry smoothie, I guess.
All right, strawberry smoothie. All right, so we have our blender.
So you'll start off with a cup of frozen strawberries. And then you add a third cup of apple juice.
Go with like your organic, kind of like I always say with your olive oil. You want to be able to see some pulp and color so it's not like super clear and runny.
Then you add half a banana.
Okay.
And then, so it has protein in it, and you add a scoop of this.
So could we just make it, were you making it before? Okay, so you could just do it this way, but then she wanted to have it for breakfast, and I said, this is just eating a banana and strawberry. So then she started adding in the protein powder into it. So is it just a scoop of your favorite?
Just a scoop.
Okay, a scoop of your favorite vanilla protein powder. Go ahead and show them our protein powder we've been using. Not even trying to pronounce it, but I found it online, and it's pretty clean, and we like it. We use the chocolate for breakfast and shakes a lot, as well as she uses this vanilla. So, we're just gonna put it on there on the smoothie setting. So I think ours was what? If you put our smoothie setting, what was that, Belle? 40. It's like 40 seconds you could blend it for. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pour it.
Sometimes you can have a spoon.
Yeah.
Sometimes you add too many strawberries and it gets too thick.
But what is great about this smoothie is like Bella has it for breakfast, or she'll have it as a snack later in the day, sometimes before she goes to her volleyball, as well as it's great as it starts to get warmer because it's a healthy, yummy treat as the sun, it's warm and the kids are outside playing, as well for yourself. So there you go, a yummy smoothie for the day that's healthy and not full of preservatives. So you guys enjoy, and we will see you next week where we come on to share with you another favorite recipe that's low inflammation. Y'all have a great day. Bye.